Alright guys, so I only have 1 minute left in the washing machine, so I have a small load of clothes to wash for myself, and again, I'm going to use Tide Pod because I can't use any other product. And I only use one Tide Pod, and yes, I combine colors because my clothes doesn't really run, so I combine colors. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This is the machine. I'm going to show you something cool. This is it. It's going to finish, right? And then it's going to start singing. Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning up the kitchen. This is the clean towels. Now I have my second load in the washer going, and my sheets are in the dryer drying. I probably put on back the same sheet on my bed. I do have one sheet, but I like the sheet, so you know, it's clean, so why not? So I cleaned the countertop. This is the island. I cleaned the island. I cleaned the stove. I cleaned the fridge. I cleaned the microwave. I cooked some rice earlier. I cleaned the bathroom. I didn't clean the toilet on camera, but I did it off camera. What I did is just I wiped down the seat and the lid of the toilet with a disinfectant wipe, and then you know, I just use the brush and brush it on out. Spray some of the cleaner that I use, and I sprayed it in the toilet. Use the brush and brush it on out. So that's what I did. And now that I am close to finishing, And I cleaned up my room already, and I put away all my shoes that I need to put away. And I just washed my swimsuit that I wore to Bahamas yesterday for my birthday. So now that I'm done and I'm just waiting for the sheet to dry, I'm gonna cook me some salmon. I probably won't do anything extra with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna season it on up and put it on the grill for about 10-15 minutes, and it should be good. You don't want to overcook the salmon, because I did that the last time, and the last time I overcooked the salmon and it was dry, so I don't want to do that again. So I'm gonna put it on for no more than 15 minutes. I got my timer. I really love this timer, I really do. I set the timer and just for 15 minutes, and wherever I go, I bring the timer with me, so I can, so I'm not burning anything and I'm not totally forgetting about anything. So yeah, get you a timer, even if it's just on your phone. Sometimes the phone timer go off and you just ignore it because you're so used to your phone alarm going off. So with this one, it's like you hear it and you're like, oh yeah, I'm cooking. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you how I'm seasoning this up, and I'm cooking it. Nothing too major. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today on this beautiful Sunday. I bought this fish at Aldi for $6.71. They sell fish at other stores too, but I find that Aldi give me more for my money. So yeah, that's where I buy my fish at. Not all my fish, but like my salmon there. And the salmon tastes really good. I ain't got no problem with it. My hands are clean. I washed my hands already. So I never know how to open these stuff. So yeah. So I'm gonna open it on up, and I'm gonna wrap the salmon in foil paper, and I'm gonna show y'all how I cook it. It's nothing too extra, just something basic. And I'm gonna show y'all how I cook it. I think I did a salmon video for you guys already. I'm not sure, so if I didn't, then just gonna be the salmon video. I don't really know how to open this thing, to be honest with you. But yeah. How's you guys' day going? I'm so sorry that I'm not so consistent as I want to be with YouTube, but the Wi-Fi at my house is just really slow, and then I want to make sure I'm putting out good quality for you guys. And like, I don't know if it's good quality because the Wi-Fi is so slow, But I'm going to try to upload a couple more for you guys. I'm going to finish up all the editing that I'm doing with all my videos. And then what I'm going to do is, at nighttime, I'm going to put it to upload. And then by morning, it'll probably be uploaded for you guys. It normally just takes like 2 to 3 hours to upload. So, yeah. Alright, I finally got this thing open. So I just ripped the plastic off. Rip all the plastic off. What I normally do is I put a little lime juice on top, just to kill any rawness. This is actually not raw, so, but just in case. Ooh, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I don't have any lime, so I'm gonna use lemon. I just pour a little bit.